Today I am reviewing the Skytech Gaming Nebula 2 gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Skytech Gaming Nebula 2 gaming PC is designed for gamers who want powerful performance, clean aesthetics, and true plug-and-play convenience without the hassle of building a system from scratch. With a strong combination of the AMD Ryzen 700 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 Ti, this desktop is built to handle modern AAA games, competitive esports titles, and creative workloads with ease. At the heart of this system is the AMD Ryzen 5700, an 8-core, 16-thread processor with a base clock of 3.7 GHz and boost speeds up to 4.6 GHz. This CPU is well known for its excellent balance between gaming and multitasking performance. Whether you're gaming, streaming, recording gameplay, or running background applications like Discord, browsers, or editing software, the Ryzen 5700 remains smooth and responsive. It's a processor that still holds strong in 2025 and beyond, especially for gamers who want stable frame rates and consistent performance. Graphics are handled by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 Ti with 8 GB of VRAM, making this system an excellent choice for 1080p ultra gaming and very capable 1440p high settings gameplay. Thanks to NVIDIA's modern architecture, you get access to features like ray tracing, DLSS upscaling, and improved power efficiency. Games such as Cyberpunk 2077, Elden Ring, Baldur's Gate 3, Hogwarts Legacy, Starfield, and Black Myth. Wukong runs smoothly at high to ultra settings, delivering immersive visuals and stable frame rates. Competitive titles like Valorant, Counter-Strike 2, Overwatch 2, Fortnite, and Call of Duty feel incredibly responsive, making this PC a strong choice for esports players as well. The system comes equipped with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM running at 3200 MHz, which is the sweet spot for gaming today. This ensures smooth multitasking, fast load times, and consistent performance across demanding titles. For storage, Skytech includes a 1 TB NVMe M.2 SSD, which dramatically improves boot times, game loading speeds, and overall system responsiveness. You'll be able to store a large library of games without worrying about space, and everything launches quickly without long wait times. One of the standout aspects of the Nebula 2 is its cooling and airflow design. The PC features a high-performance air cooler combined with maximum airflow ARGB fans housed inside the Skytech Nebula 2 Black Edition case. The front mesh design allows excellent airflow, keeping temperatures low even during long gaming sessions. At the same time, the system remains relatively quiet, which is important for immersive gaming or streaming environments. The ARGB lighting adds a premium gaming aesthetic without being overbearing, giving the PC a clean and modern look. Power delivery is handled by a 650W 80+ Gold certified power supply, ensuring stable and efficient power for all components. This not only improves reliability, but also leaves room for future upgrades, such as additional storage or even a more powerful GPU down the line. The inclusion of Wi-Fi connectivity means you can get online right out of the box, while wired Ethernet is available for those who want maximum stability and lowest latency. Skytech ships the Nebula 2 with Windows 11 Home pre-installed, fully optimized and free from unnecessary bloatware. This means you can power it on, sign in, and start gaming immediately. The system includes a variety of USB ports, HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, HD audio, and microphone support, making it easy to connect monitors, headsets, keyboards, and other peripherals. Skytech also includes a free gaming keyboard and mouse, which is a nice bonus for first-time PC gamers or anyone upgrading from a console. Another major advantage of this system is peace of mind. The Skytech Nebula 2 is assembled in the USA, professionally built and tested, and backed by a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, along with free technical support. This makes it an excellent choice for gamers who want reliability without dealing with troubleshooting or compatibility issues. In real-world usage, this PC shines as a high FPS gaming machine. It easily handles modern titles at ultra settings in 1080p, delivers smooth 1440p gameplay, and performs exceptionally well in fast-paced competitive games. Beyond gaming, it's also a strong option for content creators who do light to moderate video editing, streaming, or productivity work. Overall, the Skytech Gaming Nebula 2 is a well-balanced, powerful gaming desktop that delivers excellent value for its performance class. It's ideal for gamers who want strong graphics, fast load times, clean design, and reliable performance without building a PC themselves. If you're looking for a ready-to-play gaming PC that can handle today's games and tomorrow's updates, the Skytech Nebula 2 is absolutely worth considering.